how we do it. It's like
citizens of a future redefined. No regrets tied to the things we leave behind. Brand new possibilities, technologies and currencies. A new sun will rise and shadows quickly fade. Dawn of a new age. Citizens of a future redefined. No regrets tied to the things we leave behind. Brand new possibilities, technologies and currencies. A new sun will rise and shadows quickly fade. Dawn of a new age.
So we continue here with the project. Today Nico has already made some major things in the backside of here. So we have battery rack, the floor is gone, and we actually have now, today we did that wheel connection there. So we are starting to get everything done here. I did a little bit of the roof. These bars are connected, and I removed all the rest of the roof. So we found out that when we welded the bars up in here, the roof went just blub, 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 blub. And actually you can see there it is not very straight. So we need to put the bars behind here to connect them, and then we will be starting to make the roof back again. And underneath here I also made this arch here. I copied with sabloon. Is it sabloon in English? Well, that kind of piece. I used that kind of piece to mark it from the other side. Stencil. Oh. So I got the shape in here, then we welded it in, and Nico will be doing the wide body kit there. So we have rough measurements here. Also we did this back panel down here with the battery rack, and underneath here you can see our battery rack. Nico made this. Let's turn you out. Nico made these here, so we have nice little bracings here into the chassis, so everything is solid here, and we have room here for about 9 big batteries down in here. They are 30 centimeters high, so we can stack them up like 2 times here, so we have really much space for batteries. Lithium or normal batteries, and then we have the amps here up in here, so we have plenty of space down here. And this also we made today, so we have one wheel connected. We use this kind of trailer things here, and it is not centered, as you can see. We need to remake these everything. If I turn it up, the wheel will go up and down, but with the wheel did not we wanted it to have a flush in here. We have like 1 centimeter behind here the wheel, and it is a little bit back. Actually we need to slightly cut the back bumper from here, but everything seems to be okay, and this is solid now. We have this Nico, can you take this off so I can show how it's done? But the wheel, it's not ready. It's not ready yet. It's not completely ready yet, but wheel looks nice, and we have a little bit of camber. If you can see down in here, behind here, we have a little bit of camber in the wheel, but it is flush with the car, so it's quite straight. And when Nico takes that off, I will be showing how we did it. What more? A lot has been done, but nothing looks like we have done much, but we have done really good choices here. So we use this kind of axle here. We thought that if we put a straight axle from here, we will be losing the battery space, but we have this with 2 bolts, and it has already been welded. We will be welding it again. We will use this kind of L-bar here also to clamp it between and weld it in, and we have here a little bit of bracings, this, and we will be probably making more bracers here, so we can have a solid axle here to handle all the weight. But it's not ready yet, just a working process. So actually this is 4x100, and our wheels is 4x108. So we will need to take this off and drill a holes for our wheels. But that's about it. We are continuing the project. Soon, when we get the roof ready, we will be starting to buy some plywood, 45mm plywood, and making this all sealed up, and then we are probably ready to test the subwoofers if we can get them in here at that time. But everything is going on forward. Our goal is here. I'm not actually sure if Nico knows, but our goal here is to burp this car in 11th of January.
I did look at Facebook.
Yes, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. 11th of August. We will be burping this first time. So 3 months, about 3 months we got time here to make this finished. but in this summer we will be burping it first time. We don't actually know how high we can go, how high SPL we are getting, but let's say everything over 150 dBs is okay for us, because we don't have the battery power or the amps for playing 170 yet, but we will be making the car so we can try to hit that 170 with this car. So what do you like about the build? What the choices we have made? Do you think they are okay, or will they held, or anything? Leave a comment please, and let's just continue the project. So far so good. Nico, you have anything more?
No.
Nope. And we see you in the next video. Bye bye.